Types of houses. We live in a house. It protects us from heat, cold, rain, dust, and wild animals. Houses are of different types. Hut, Pakka house, Igloo, Houseboat, Tent house, Caravan, Flats. Our home. There are many rooms in our home. We use different rooms for different purpose. Drawing room, dining room, bedroom, study room, kitchen, bathroom.